Hi, it's Chave Weather here with a video looking at a heavy storm hitting Peshawar in Pakistan on June the 9th, 2022. "120 km/h winds were recorded as the storm hit the city. Trees were pulled down by the force of the winds, blocking roads. Electricity shortages were reported as power cables were damaged. Buildings were damaged as wind speeds increased, with walls collapsing. Vehicles were damaged by falling debris, with residents advised to remain indoors during the storm. The storm was unexpected, causing panic to travellers, including those in planes. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.